Okay, I got the hole in. So starting a little low is okay because I have to get this in through that hole. So either I had to go with a bigger diameter or elongate it. So since I had started a little bit low, the wire needs to be pretty high because when this is fastened, the license plate, you can see that there's enough room for the wire there, but there's not a lot of extra room there either. So the boot will now go through, I guess I'm going to call it that. It will go through there, and I can, on the inside, I can reach underneath here. Oh, right there's the hole, right there. So it'll come through there. I'm going to have to somehow kind of make a grommet there so it's protected. I got a couple ideas. You'll probably laugh at one, but one is like an earplug, which I will then caulk and then paint. I was trying to think of something rubber I have, but I haven't located anything yet. But we'll figure something out. We need to protect that wire. We'll also use some electric tape on the wire, you know, to beef it up where it goes through that hole. And well, I got some silicone too, so we'll figure something out, paint it, make it look good. Problem with the silicone is you can't paint it, so that's the only reason I'm holding off on that. I do have some latex silicone, which is paintable, so that might be what I go with the electric tape. Okay, then we got to figure out, I think I want to route it with the main wires, which come right here. And then came like through here maybe. I don't know, we got to see. Maybe we have to even take this off. Because once the boot is through there, the wire is small. The wire will fit, but getting that boot through. Then it's got to come down into here, and this is going to be the tricky part. This has to get pulled off again. I had it off once. Somehow I have to work that boot. Gosh, I don't know how I'm going to do that. Through here. That's going to be a challenge. So I'll let you know how that goes, because I really want it inside of here. I wish they had a straight connector on it, but they don't. So once it's connected to the device up front, then it's nice that it's at a right angle. So if I can get it through here, I probably will be okay for the rest of it. Okay. It's going to be a slow process, tedious. I'm going to take my time. I've decided to not use the red wire at this point and may never use it. This is so that when you put it in reverse, it'll automatically kick into the backup camera from what I understand. But, you know, do I really want to get messing into the wiring here? And I know it's this light, and I know I can get to it from here, and I can take this light out, but first of all, I don't have enough red wire to even get to that, so I'd have to get some more wire. But secondly, one person said that Toyotas are different and you can't just hook into them like that. The light may not work. So I think at this point, you know, you can still scroll over on the device and click the backup camera to get to it. And maybe that's fine. Maybe that's, you know, maybe I'm losing sleep over something that is totally fine as is without hooking it up in any ways. And one person did say they just clip it off. They don't even want to hook it up. So I'm not going to try it at this point, you know, maybe in the future, but at this point, I just want to get this wire run to the front nicely, clean, hidden, and getting it through here and here probably going to be the toughest, but I kind of hope that, because they're going to be tough. Okay, let's get going, and I'll report back on how this all went. And let's see.